Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Emoji Kitchen on your Android phone. Emoji Kitchen lets you combine two different emojis to create fun and unique emoji stickers that you can share in your messages. Let's get started. First, open any app where you can type, such as Messages, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Next, tap on the text field to open your keyboard. Make sure you're using Gboard, as Emoji Kitchen is available through Google's keyboard. Tap the emoji icon on the keyboard to open the emoji panel. Now, select your first emoji, then tap a second emoji. Gboard will automatically suggest unique emoji combinations at the top of the keyboard. Browse through the available Emoji Kitchen creations and tap the one you like. The combined emoji will be inserted as a sticker, ready to send in your conversation. If you don't see Emoji Kitchen, make sure you're using the latest version of Gboard and that it's set as your default keyboard. That's all. You've successfully learned how to use Emoji Kitchen on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.